they clone me.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to Life with Ro. If you are a new or returning subscriber, hi, welcome back. If you are new to my channel, hi, I do all things beauty, lifestyle, and so much more. If you're interested in that type of content, please consider subscribing down below. I have some really amazing videos coming out for you guys. Today, I have my 23rd birthday vlog. It was amazing. I had an amazing day, so let's go ahead and jump into it. First, I'm going to start off with these French tip nails. I purchased these from Shein, and they are toenails. So here, I was getting my pedicure done, and that is the final look. They came out amazing. I am super proud of my work that I did from home. Next, I got started on doing my nails. As y'all can see, I went for a bright, bold, and beautiful red. I love them.
It's my sister's birthday.
The camera. And we're cooking.
Alright, so guys, so what we're finna be doing right now is we're cutting some grass. It's the start of the 10th. Before my birthday. So what we doing? So we cutting, like I said, cutting the roses. Follow me on
Okay, y'all, so we are out here. We are building my tea party. What do you think, Crystal?
cutting these roses up. Making these in their machine.
Right here, we are building my flower pot. That is going to be the centerpiece for my tea party table setting. So I'm just showing you all the various flowers that I picked up from Dollar Tree. You can do the exact same. I went with artificial versus real flowers because they just have a longer longevity, obviously, and I didn't want my flowers to start dying before I could fully have the setup complete. So I got the tin can from Dollar Tree, all of the arrangements, and the floral foam from Dollar Tree as well, and the results are amazing. Shout out to my mom for this early birthday present that I received before my birthday. I love this Steve Madden bag. I got it from Macy's Backstage. Please excuse my footage. It's kind of all over the place, but I'm trying to do it in order. Okay, so here are a couple of the balloons that are already done. That's the setup that I'm going for. Here, I'm just showing you guys how I actually got the balloon started and inflated. And I wanted to go for a nice round look so that it looked full and more realistic as like a helium balloon. The more full you can get it, the better and the more elegant look that it gives you. So I would recommend trying to get it as full as you possibly can. Next, of course, I'm tying off the balloons, and then I'm going to take some string that I got from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to cut it. After I cut it, I'm going to go ahead and tie it around the balloon so that way it gives the appearance of a helium balloon. Now we're going to add our balloon tape, which is basically balloon glue, which is like glue dots that you can put on the top of the balloon. Basically, it helps adhere the balloon to the top of the ceiling. So as you're going to see, I am going to go ahead and make sure that the balloon is secured to the top of the ceiling by pressing the balloon into the ceiling so that way the glue dots can adhere easily. Here is just my progress on the balloons. So at this point, we had decided to take a break from decorating and party planning to go watch the new Black Widow movie. So this is us just pulling up. We're driving to the theater, and I really enjoyed the movie. It was really good. It was worth the watch. If you are a person who really likes to break down the meaning of the movie, or really just try to interpretate what you think the movie's message was, I highly suggest that for you. This one really just caught my attention, and it was worth the watch. The best way I can describe it is intense. So if that's up your alley, check it out. Once I got back from the movie, I literally stayed up till 4 a.m. Yes, I'm crazy, I know. Putting up all of the decor, and of course, I had help. It looks amazing. So once I got done with the balloons, it really tied the whole look together. Once I got done with the balloons, I moved on to the table setting. So here is what the table looked like. Very elegant. It is so cute. I will show you guys eventually what the whole setting looked like. So moving on, I started with a serving tray that holds my utensils. And then I had my teapot, my flower centerpiece. I had my crown from the prior year. I had a snack tier, so basically it holds all of the pastries. And I had my happy birthday banner along with the balloons. And of course I had my teapot set and everything on my table. And I had either these cute teapot cup holders that really tied the look together. It's on the left. It's that gold thing holding it all together. So here's the complete table setup. Isn't it amazing? You have the serving tray. You have some cups for ice cream later in the day, of course. And then there's my crown, teapot. There's the cup teapot holder for the cups. And then I have some bananas. We were just now prepping the tables, so we were just getting some of the food out. But that is the whole aerial view of the balloons. And the very far back is basically a gift table, and it just came out so beautiful. You guys, you have to try a tea party at one point or at some point in your life. It's so beautiful. Look, my mom did an amazing job on setting up my gift table. We got some gift cards, and we'll do an unboxing of all the gifts that I got later in the video. But until then, enjoy. Okay, you guys, this is the complete table setting. So there's my serving tray, utensils, and napkins. And then I had my teapot holder for my cups, my teapot with tea, my serving cups. I had butter. Oh, look at the pastry spread. It looked amazing. All of the food was just absolutely amazing. I'm just showing you guys the progress. So each scene you see will have a new item added to the table. You can serve whatever you want. I had cinnamon rolls, biscuits, and croissants, butter. I have bacon wrapped up there. You can't really see it, but I'll show you guys a clip of everything uncovered. We were just trying to keep the food warm and fresh, so that's why we had everything saran wrapped. But I really just wanted to show you guys a close in on the table. This is what it looked like unwrapped. A beautiful fruit spread. Shout out to my mom. She did amazing. Absolutely amazing. So in the next clip, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the bacon, sausage, and egg plate. There's the butter. There's the fruit trays. I mean, you guys, please go out and try this. Even if it's not a birthday, even if you're just having a get together with your friends, whatever. I mean, it's so much fun. I highly recommend. So now we're just going to have some footage of us eating, enjoying the setup, taking pictures, and yeah. Girl, we all felt super fancy eating from our cute plates. Plates are from Dollar Tree, by the way. Teapot set is from Amazon. The tray is from Dollar Tree. Both of the trays are from Dollar Tree. All of these things are super inexpensive. I can leave the links down below in a separate video that I'm going to do. I'm going to do a haul on all of the things that I purchased to make this party possible. And also it'll be a separate haul on everything that I got for my birthday, because if I included that in this video, it would just be way too long, you guys. So yes, this is a compilation of us eating, enjoying ourselves, chit-chatting, being fancy. And you guys enjoy. Comment below if you would ever try a party like this.
Okay, first thing first, we got this happy 23rd.
Yay! Thank you.
23rd.
Oh, okay. It's so
But yeah,
it's
as you can see, Subway, Burning, and
So you can
Chick-fil-A.
use that as a cup for your house, you know, too.
Oh,
So,
I love Chick-fil-A.
you know, it's just a drinking cup.
That's so cute.
So you know how people use bags?
This is happy. I'm gonna put it on my cubicle.
Are you gonna put it in the cooler? Or you
Happy
can drink from it.
23rd.
So at this point, I was way too excited, y'all. So I went ahead and I basically went through my gifts. The first set of gifts were self-explanatory. They were gift cards within a cute cup that my mom homemade. I'm going to be using that on my desk. And the next thing that I am unboxing is they got me cotton pads for my makeup. They got me toenail clippers for my pedicures and multiple colors of nail polishes because I've been into my nails being done lately. So my mom is awesome for getting me multiple colors of nail polish. So next I'm going to be unbagging the next bag. I was super excited for all of my presents. So in this one, I got Bath and Body Works, girl. Y'all already know. If you know, you know. I got the shower gel and I got the lotion and pina colada. That will also be in my haul video of all my birthday gifts. It smells so good, y'all. I highly recommend y'all go check that out. The final thing was a bag that had little fruits on it. And so I'm going to be unboxing that one as well. Okay, y'all, so the first thing that I got is that Revlon Kiss chapstick. Check out my video on it if you haven't seen it. I got a mascara, and then I also got another mascara, which is awesome because I had misplaced my other ones. I don't even know how that happens, but it did. I just want to say thank you to my family for making this birthday amazing, special, and I had a blast. Okay, you guys, so right now we're heading to go out to eat at the Thicket. It's basically a bunch of food trucks, so I'm really excited to go try that. Have to put the hair up in a bun, y'all, because it's hot out here where I'm at.
A bunch of food trucks, right?
Yeah.
A bunch of food trucks you're gonna be trying.
We'll see y'all when we get there. We are actually headed to Ross instead, y'all. So instead, we are gonna go to Ross. We are on the way. Yes, we're gonna get that one. I know. I like this one. I wonder if they have like art bags.
So you're looking at about $3.
That's cute.
I need to get one.
Y'all play too much. Oh, I needed one for Moo. No way. It's only $9, Crystal. I might have to get it. I needed. Okay, y'all, so we are on the way to the Thicket now. We had just got done shopping. We decided to do a little shopping before we got there. We had so much fun. Sorry I couldn't vlog as much. It was super packed. We're on our way to try some different foods. How exciting. Here we are. We have arrived at the Thicket. So here is a place basically where different food trucks are gathered in one general area and you can try different foods. Unfortunately, we couldn't try different foods because we went super late and the food park, it was unfortunately already closed by the time we got there, most of them, or they were closing. But we found an amazing taco truck that I will leave the name of it down in the description so you guys can go eat there and check it out. Oh my gosh, look at the plate, you guys. It was so good. It was really good. I'm just gonna show you guys a small haul of what I got because I just can't wait to share it with you. Look at these sandals that I found, y'all. They are so beautiful. I love the beading. Next, of course, you guys already seen the gift cards. Thank you to my mama. And these were more shoes that I found at Ross. They're so cute. They're perfect for work. I can't wait to use them at work. Super excited for that. The finale, the kickoff that ended it all was this amazing room surprise by my amazing roommate and best friend. Shout out to you. Thank you so much for ending off my birthday with a bang. It was so amazing and so thoughtful. I'm so blessed for all the people in my life. Thank you so much for everyone who did all what they did to make my birthday amazing and special. And thank you to all of my new and returning subscribers. I love you guys so much. Hope you have an amazing and blessed week. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and turn on those post notifications so you never miss an upload. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.